let's learn how you can fix Snapchat camera quality. So the first step is to open your Snapchat application. Now when you join the camera section right here, first step and the easiest you can do is just to brush your camera with something to clean it off. For example, some, I don't know, whatever you have right here. So it automatically removes dust and some, how can I say, blur from the camera, and it cleans it automatically. Now you can't really upgrade and improve quality that much, but what you can do with these options, for example, we can put this arrow down and this option will be visible. So you can select video stability. Now as you can see here, when you move the camera, it's more stable and focus will be better. Now you can also enable grid, and that will help you center the camera and don't lose the focus of it. And third option you can do is just to click on the camera. So you see this little bubble. What does this do? What does this do? It focuses the part of the screen you selected. So if I touch this RGB cooler, it will focus on it more. And when you take the picture, as you can see here, it has a lot of good quality. So you can't really increase the resolution, but you can use some options to help you get the better picture. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.